So what are the best cryptos to buy now in Canada? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So, are you thinking about buying crypto in Canada but you don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got some great advice to help you choose the best crypto to buy right now. Then I got something for you at the end. So step one, start by looking at a well-known cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You know, if you want a whole crypto and it's too much for you to buy those, try Solana, Polkadot, Ripple, XRP. These have been trusted and been around for a long time. They're great choices for beginners because many people believe in their long-term value, okay? Step two, once you get comfortable with these, look for coins with strong technology and good projects behind them. Some newer coins might have exciting plans for the future, so you got to research their teams and what they're working on to see if they have potential, okay? Step three, always stay informed about reading crypto news, okay? So basically, market changes fast, okay? The markets change very fast. Understanding what's happening can really help you make smart decisions, okay? So follow trusted websites and apps like crypto.com to get the latest updates. And by following these steps, you can feel more confident in choosing the best crypto to buy now in Canada. Now, by the way, what I wanted to tell you, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open your account through my referral link below in the description because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways. And then you could do the same with other people too.